Okay, we can start looking at the response. Factor number 1, Thailand's infrastructure challenges. ChatGPT shows specific knowledge of port congestion at Lame Chabang and limitations within road and rail networks. Factor number 2, busy shipping lanes and regional logistics. It mentions factors like the Strait of Malacca and Southeast Asia's weather patterns. The next one is specialized transport needs for sensitive electronics. These are very specific factors that we can immediately use for our purposes. ChatGPT also offers measures to reduce the potential impact of these factors. However, I would advise scheduling a separate conversation for this with ChatGPT, just as you would probably have separate meetings about identifying risks and then developing measures to minimize them.